fossilized nga crabs. Muna siya ma'am, is the same ato. So before, sa kamuti sa ilan is connect ni siya or dagat kini siya sa una.
Kani?
Yes, kaya nga no, is corals.
Oh my gosh! Look at that one!
Yes, so ako na siya ipakita sa inyo.
Look at her! Oh my gosh! This is my first time to see that one!
Okay, this one.
Oh, yeah!
Crystals.
What's that siya?
Yes, it's stalagmites. I know,
Can you open
stalactites and
this one?
stalagmites is a difference. Stalactites is a half, and then stalagmites is down.
It won't open. It's like.
Oh my gosh,
You can
Steve,
follow
you
sir?
must see this one!
You can follow inside?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Wow,
Ano
amazing!
Hari ka ma'am.
Huh?
So, familiar man eh.
Unsa?
Big.
So, bawalin na to siya kapon ha.
Huh? Wow! Oh my shucks!
So, pwede din na to siya i-lights if ever kung nakay video, while the video is on yung lights or flash.
Oh my god, my loves! You must look this one!
Ara, ako yung karang video.
Oh my god!
Okay, look your video.
Steve's camera.
You take it.
Huh? Video na.
Look.
Oh my god!
That's cool.
Oh yeah!
Okay, where you from, sir?
USA.
USA. So, first time you come to Thailand?
No, second.
Oh, second.
But I didn't come here last time.
Ah, okay. Ikaw, ma'am,
This is
is
my
first
first
time
time.
mo?
Yeah, first time.
Yes, taga ka, ma'am?
Lapu-Lapu City.
Lapu-Lapu City. So, Bangkal is before na kana ko sa una, Lapu-Lapu
Sa
City.
Bangkal.
Yes, so lagan kay ko sa una. Time pa nga batanon pa ko. Ayun, batanon pa man ta, pero isa 27 age. Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, once again.
Amazing cave.
Yes, this one is stalagmites. So, bawalin na to siya kapon ha. So, sir, is do not touch. Yes, so. So kami,
Ang sali tawag?
stalagmites.
Stalagmites?
Yes. So stalagmites and stalactites is like ako siya explain dito ha. So yes. Mo siya stalagmites so under ni siya sa
Na ay ni word. Na ay kuan. Ano ba yan? Makakapera ka sa ganito.
No, is mo siya yung acid ma'am. So mo siya sa minerals. Pero nalay siya kanang kuan parts sa gawas nga pwede ni siya kuon and isagol nila sa ilang stone sa crystal.
Oo.
Yes, so very
It's my
expensive.
first time
Yes,
to
very
see this.
expensive.
Mm.
Yes.
Wow.
So nice. Nindot kayo no?
Yes.
So, your first time, this one, sir, are you familiar?
Yeah, I've been to caves in USA.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I've seen stalactites, stalagmites, formation
Yes.
like this, but I
Yes.
haven't seen here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's your
This
first
is new
Yeah.
for here.
Yes.
They're all new.
Wow.
Just watch your back on the.
Yes, it's a chorus.
Yeah.
Gross.
So
Very
before
sharp.
it's confirm is before it's say yes.
Somebody already broke one.
Oh, it's very so siya.
Some people break them off,
Yes.
so they have them.
Sifo.
Okay. So
Okay.
palo ako lang to ma'am. You first sir?
Okay.
Ako palo. So ako you first sir.
Okay.
Okay, once again say hi.
Hello. Welcome to
This is cover.
This is Cover.
So enjoy ra mo.
Yeah,
Be happy.
challenging.
Yes. So kami ma'am, kami as a